Feliz aniversario, Mighty Wind Worship Center. 23 años. That's a long time. Happy anniversary. From Viento Fuerte Centro de Adoración, de parte de Pastor Tom Gutierrez, mi esposa Elizabeth, and toda la familia de Viento Fuerte. Again, it's just such a pleasure to be able to be here with you, even though it's this way, but I know that God is blessing and God has so much more. We can remember back when we started, 23 years ago, in the living room over on Richter. It's been a while, and we've come a long way. Even we as Viento Fuerte, we just got through celebrating our 8th anniversary last week, and to see where Mighty Wind is and how it's extended itself. Again, I want to thank you, Pastor Joe, Pastor Mary, all the leadership, all of you that are now family there at Mighty Wind Worship Center. Happy anniversary, and hope to see you soon. Okay, God bless you. We'll see you.